What is up? It's your boy Aing bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we got a positive one. Today we're giving 3 reasons why I absolutely love my brand new Toyota Tacoma SR5. So first things first, for all the people that usually say something about how I parked in like 4 different parking spots, today I parked in one for you, just for you. We're gonna be talking about 3 things that make me absolutely love this Toyota Tacoma. So it is an SR5. I went from a TRD Sport over to the SR5, and these are 3 things that I absolutely love about this truck. Like you, I have 3 things that just stand out to me about this truck that just tickle my fancy. I've only heard that saying, and this is my first time saying it here in front of you. I'm so sorry. But before we get started, please leave an early like, a comment, and a subscription. I appreciate every single one of you guys who watches, who comments, and supports the channel. We're at 2.7 thousand subscribers. At 3K, I'm gonna be doing my first ever giveaway. So if you're interested in that, well, like, comment, subscribe. Number 1. The number 1 thing that I love about this truck is the price. 40K out the door on this truck. Now, some people might think that's absolutely absurd. Some people might think that's a crazy good deal. But for me, it is perfect. So if you're in the market or you just look around, Tacoma prices are not in a very good state right now. Like, they are awfully hard to get and awfully expensive. A lot of people ask me how I got this truck at such a good deal. You just gotta look around. $40,000 is what I ended up getting this truck out at, and I love it. The price is perfect, the payments are low, and just looking around, I literally can still take this truck, sell it, and if not make like $1,000, at least break even. Now, you may think, oh, that's such a dumb point, but let me clarify. I could have got a TRD Pro, but then I would have been pushing my budget. Monthly payments would have been higher. And when you're worried about money, you can't enjoy something. So you get what's in your budget and you enjoy it a lot better. Number 2, the number 2 thing that I absolutely love about this truck is the features. As I said earlier, I went from a Sport down to a SR5. If I went from like a 2020 Sport down to a 2014 SR5, then I understand it's a downgrade, but then it's still in the eye of the beholder, because then you have the, you know, the glorious 4.0. Nonetheless, the features that you get in this truck are insane. A dampened tailgate, a composite bed that won't rust, power seating, big infotainment system, dual climate control, automatic headlights, storage, more storage, and last but not least at all, it's a Toyota. So you get all these features, you get all of this equipment, and last but not least, it's a Toyota. So it's packed with reliability, durability, and you don't have to worry about anything breaking. All the features that I named are so important to me, things that I love, things that I don't mind paying for, and that brings me into my 3rd and final point. It's simple. Like I said, some people said that I downgraded. I made a huge mistake going from my Sport down to my SR5. I don't know about you, but it's simple. Its simplicity makes it so perfect. The hood, it just looks clean. It doesn't look like it's trying too hard with the hood scoop. Sometimes it can give off that vibe like it's trying to be like maybe a sports car or a cool guy car. And this just looks perfect. It just looks calm. It looks like it's ready for business. Back here, I don't have a power outlet. I don't know why the power outlet kind of bothered me having it back here, but now I don't have that power outlet. I just have a bigger storage, which is, as you know, something that I like. What, you thought I was just trying to show you my pocket? A key. It has a key. Now, I don't know why, this is like one of my favorite things. Having a key is just like, I don't know. It makes the truck so much more special to me. Moving on to the inside, there's not as many gadgets and gimmicks in here. You just got your ECT power, which I think is a good thing because, well, they make this truck for everybody, not just me. I don't really use it to tow or to try to race anybody, so whatever. But it just has this little thing that is just enough. Just what you need, because if it was manual, that would be kind of a pain. Heated mirrors, your climate control, hazard lights, your 4x4 switches, and that's it. It's just a simple, fresh, easy loadout. And of course, we always have to under-promise and over-deliver. Number 4, the 4th and final thing, I think you guys already know what it's gonna be, the Voodoo Blue. So with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. It really does help out the channel grow, and it shows your appreciation for these videos. So let me know down below, what are 3 things that you love, or maybe even that you hate about your Toyota Tacoma. For me, this list will go on forever, so you may get 3 things I love about my Tacoma in like 2 months, but it's just, I find something new about this truck every day that I absolutely love. I think that's the only way you should be if you're buying a vehicle, because if not, you made the wrong choice. So nonetheless, it's been your boy, I'm Married Like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.